Here's the easiest way to update or change your shipping address on Temu, app or website. Step-by-step guide. Open the Temu app recommended or go to www.temu.com and log into your account. Tap the U tab, bottom right corner on the app, or click your profile icon on the website. Select Addresses or My Addresses. You will see your saved addresses. Tap Edit next to the address you want to change. Update your full name, street address, city, state, zip code, and phone number. Tap Save to confirm the changes. Optional. Set the new address as your default address for future orders. Important notes: update your address before placing a new order. Once an order is placed and processing begins, changing the address becomes difficult or impossible. You can add multiple addresses and switch between them easily. For already shipped orders, contact Temu support or the carrier directly with your tracking number.